Love, Lies, and a Very Angry Parrot. Daniel had a problem. A big, feathery, loud problem named Captain Squawks, his girlfriend Mia's pet parrot who hated him. The bird would dive-bomb his head, steal his snacks, and once even unzipped his pants during Sunday dinner with Mia's parents. Desperate, Daniel came up with a genius plan, Operation Bribe the Bird. He bought gourmet seeds, a diamond-encrusted perch, and even a tiny parrot-sized Hawaiian shirt. The moment Mia left for work, Daniel unveiled his offerings. "Look, Captain, truce," he whispered, holding out a mango slice, the parrot's favorite. Captain Squawks stared. Then he took it. Daniel cheered, until the bird suddenly screeched, "MIA, he kissed the neighbor!" Daniel froze. "What? I did not—" The parrot flapped wildly. "Lies, lies, he loves me more." Just then, Mia walked in, arms crossed. Daniel turned pale. "Babe, I swear—" But Mia burst out laughing. "Oh my God, he's blackmailing you!" She wiped tears from her eyes. "I taught him that last week." Daniel gasped. "You monster!" Mia kissed his cheek. "And yet, you still tried to win him over. That's true love." Captain Squawks squawked, "Marry her or I tell more lies." And so Daniel did, with the parrot as the ring-bearer, who, of course, tried to steal the rings. Moral of the story? Love is weird, birds are evil, and always check for avian spies. Comment and subscribe for more. Thank you.